Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Go ahead and join the family by hitting the subscribe button. So today we are making delicious lamb chops. So here we have some apple cider vinegar. We're going to take a couple of caps full and saturate the lamb chops with the apple cider vinegar. This will get rid of a lot of the bacteria. And next I like to go in with a little kosher sea salt. So now we're going to give it a rinse. Seasoning, onion powder, sweet paprika, garlic, cayenne pepper, let's turn it over on the other side. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. So I've added the lamb chops to the melted butter. Now we're going to just add a few sprinkles of parsley. And let that cook for about 5 minutes on each side. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. It's time to turn them over. Cook them on the other side. Ooh, that looks delicious. Let's add a little bit more parsley on the other side.